we thought that we would head up to an old mine, and we had some severe rain come through here, and it it washed the trail out. So I'll show you what I got myself into. Yeah, pretty good, pretty washed out. And then we got this problem right here. My rear tire slid down into that. Oh yeah. So now I've got to hook the winch up there, find an anchor point, run the cable back down to the trailer, and we got to pull the trailer over as far as we can to line it up, and we'll have to fill in the hole here with rock and the max tracks, because there's no turning back. We're committed and we got to go that way.